Here are friends some other settings you can change before you are recording. Here is full screen mode, and then here are four options available. Capture, you can click this record button uh, other than this recording. So you can click on this and you can record from here. Here it is telling you about shortcut. Shortcut is F9 and you can F10 press to stop. Here you can delete. Select area to record. I have told you about how to select area for record. Lock to application, you can lock this to the application, this recording area, and you can record audio and record webcam. These are settings you can change from here. I have already told you about. Second option is effects. You can change effect. Yeah, you can add annotations during recording the video. Add the system stamp, you can add stamp time and date etc. You can also add captions during recording. Use mouse click sound, you can change mouse click sound from here, and there are other options related to this effect. You can add time and date and elapsed time and other settings during recording the video. So you can add here captions to be added during recording the video. You can also change the sound of your mouse button clicked. You can click on this and it will open your computer. You can select a uh, sound you want to play during the clicking of mouse. You can add bottom up sound and top up sound from here. You can silent it from this, and you can also increase and decrease volume for clicking of mouse sound. So there are these are some settings about sound and annotations. So I don't want to use this currently. This is all about telling. uh, Here, number three, there is option to Camtasia. When you click Camtasia, it will open you the Camtasia editor and screencast.com. It will open a website, and here are options you can change. You can in help you can change show tooltips, warn me when recorder will be recorded. You can enable or disable these settings in capture layered windows, capture keyboard input, disable screen saver during capture, and here is format. You can change of your recording. I will suggest you to use this default format, not to change this. You can here change the file option, and you can change here the temporary folder of this recording. So number two, here are inputs. You can change video frame. You can record your video at 15 frame per second and 10 or 1 frame per second. You can change it 8 frames per video frame per second. You can change audio settings. Here you can record less audio. If I press this to here, and it will recording very less amount of audio. You can change this setting from here. You can here also you can change the recording devices. I am currently using this device, so it is showing me that camera device. Here you can choose your camera device. Here, because I have webcam, it is recording that only webcam. I have no other camera installed on this computer, so it is only showing me this one camera that I am using with laptop. So you can change inputs from here. You can uh, change shortcuts. Here you can change the shortcut pause and record, stop. And marker, you can use marker on recording screen when you are recording. You can also marker and other settings after recording. So I will recommend you to not use these settings. uh, you can use these all settings when you recorded your screen, and then the changing is become easy, and you can change you want. So not to not to use this setting, because if these settings are recorded, then it will become difficult or impossible to change these settings. So not to use this setting, because you can use these settings in recording, in editing your videos. So here you can use screen draw, region select, and hide tray icon. You can also hide or show your tray icon. So here fourth option is program region appearance. uh, you can watch these green dots. You can change these green dots to rectangles and hidden and corner. So I will not change this setting. Glowing capture recording, force pop-up dialogue into region. These are some settings you can use according to your uh, need. So I will not use this setting, because these settings are not usable to you most of the cases. So you can record screen after starting capture, show countdown before recording. You can disable this option, so it will not show you countdown before recording, but I will recommend you to use this setting, because you will become ready when 3 2 1 countdown started. So restore cursor location after pause, and other settings you can change from here. Here you can use minimize settings, minimize recorder. If recorder will be recorded, you can minimize. It will automatically minimize. So this setting is good. You can use it to always or never. I will not use this. I will use this if recorder will be recorded. And you can minimize taskbar or system tray. So these are some tools options that can be used before recording. So this was our tools section regarding toolbars, and you can show these settings regarding toolbars. So here is last option, help, Camtasia recorder app. You can watch tutorials of made by Camtasia Studio, and you can ask for support. You can send feedback about this, and TouchSmith Camtasia on web. You can go to Camtasia TouchSmith Camtasia website home, Camtasia home, or TouchSmith other products. You can go directly from here. About Camtasia, here is you can watch about the Camtasia. So these are some settings and tools you can use these before recording. In the next video, we will move to other editing. So recording will be. I have explored all the options uh, regarded these recordings.